Good morning, guys. So a lot of people were asking how exactly the adhesive pen works. So like I said, it is a lash adhesive and it also doubles as an eyeliner. So I am going to just go ahead and put one of my lashes on. This is one of my favorite pair. This is Bougie from my makeup line. I am royalty. So like I said, this is Style Bougie. And I just wanted to show y'all really quickly how it works. So I don't have anything else right now because this one is just focused on the pen liner and adhesive. So it's a snap top. Make sure you recap it tightly so that your pen doesn't dry. But this is how they look. They have some of them have different designs on the front, but generally it's just like a pen. So what you're going to do is you're going to line your top lid just like that. So what I'm doing is lining. Pay attention to like your outer corners. Just in general, lashes tend to need a little more adhesive there in those spots, and I am literally alright, so where I lined is literally where I stuck it. Plus it gives me that extra look of an eyeliner. So you can actually go out if you wanted to and do the wing, because when it dries, it's a full. I love the fact that it's a sturdy liner. Like when it's dry, it's dry. So I mean, you don't have a whole lot of time to play, but I don't want you to feel like you can't like undo it. But you don't have to worry about these babies going nowhere. One thing that I do want to point out is, like I said, with any adhesive, whether you're using lash glue or anything of the sort, you always, just your inner corner and your outer corner, just in general, usually need a little more. So don't forget about those spaces whenever you are applying your lash adhesive. So like I said, I've already done this one. One thing in general I just want to point out, so again, this is Style Bougie. I don't know if you guys can really see, but one thing that I do with my personal lashes, like I have a pretty big full eye. Even I usually will cut just the very end, like that extra, if you can see right here, and then also on the inner there's sometimes just a tad bit, like half a centimeter of extra on there, and I go ahead and cut that off too. So that's just what I do, and I find that my lashes look a little more natural, they last a little bit longer, and I just have always done that. So again, you're just gonna line like you normally would, and then where you line, you attach your lash. So if you have any questions, reach out to me, but it's super easy, it's super quick. I lied to you not. This is the quickest that I've ever applied lashes. Why? Because I don't have to wait for my glue to dry. I don't have to wait for, you know, if I make a mess, just use some makeup remover the same way you would a liquid liner. So I'm all for it. Right now, as an introductory offer, they just happen to drop at the same time that I'm having my 50% off sale. So you guys are in luck because these are on sale for half off. Quick thing about my lip gloss, this is my classic collection. A lot of people were like, oh, I don't wear color, this and that. This is from my classic collection. It's a jelly gloss, but it's not sticky. I am 32 years old, so I don't really wear like the sticky like hair gloss look, but sometimes I do just want to do lips, lashes, and call it a day. So today is one of those days, and like I said, classic collection, your adhesive pen liner, your bougie lash, and we good to go. Again, if you guys have any questions, just let me know. Other than that, signing off.